Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can find out how much money YouTubers make. So there is no direct method. So you simply need to open the website, that is Social Blade, and go on to the website. And from here you need to select any search for any random channel. So I'm going to search for a random channel here. So here you can see that, and you can see that this channel got 729,000 views in the last 30 days, and the estimated revenue range 182 to 2.9k. So here, from here you can get an estimation. This is not the 100% accurate range, but sometime it will be accurate up to 50%. So you can get an idea how much a YouTube channel is making from this website only. And this is the only the estimated amount, not 100% accurate. So this is a process how you can find out how much money YouTubers make. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.